I'm back, unlike your father.
I got $10 million right now if you show your titties.
The fuck is you talking about? The fuck is you talking about?
Oh, I was talking about the person that was right there.
You the one poppy. Listen, man. I know I've been gone for like a month. I don't know, a month. Listen. We back. We're back. Listen, need not make the intro too long, brother. Listen, I jump in and do the like, subscribe. Listen, we're gonna try to every other day until like Christmas or until end of December. Alright, locked in. I got y'all niggas. Listen. Road to 200 subs, bro. I haven't been on YouTube so long. Listen, I've been on my freak shit, whatever. Listen, road to 200 subs, like, subscribe. I'm gone, man. This is me in the video. What is this nigga doing?
You wanna get one?
Nah.
Hey, babe.
Bro on FaceTime with his shorty.
Oh no. It's not my shorty. It's not my shorty.
That ain't my nigga. You my nigga. Hey, babe.
I don't know you. Who the fuck? I don't know you, shorty. Like, what? You talking to me?
Yeah, she said, how old are you?
I'm 18.
Oh, you 18?
I'm 17.
Damn.
Wait, can you hear her?
Like, she low. She low.
All right, now talk.
I'm 17.
Is she tough? Like, that's why I don't know. Is she tough?
Is she tough?
Yeah.
Is she?
Nigga. Fuck you.
All right. Yeah. Yeah, she tough. I mean, she gotta be tough.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm asking because, like, nah,
So what you think?
she tough. She look like a dog. You feel me? Like, she look like a word. Word.
You said you tough. You look like a dog. You feel me? Like you up there. Yeah, she my ex.
Damn. Y'all be cool. Y'all exes like that.
I know, right? Shit tragic with Paddock. How about the V? I had to let her have it. But it's okay. You know, sometimes you gotta move on to bigger, better.
Bitch.
Right.
Don't fucking play with me.
Right.
You see what I'm talking about?
I'm sorry. He tried to disrespect me, talking about he moved on to bigger and better. Don't do that with me. He tried to play me like I was some ugly person.
I've been chilling, man. Chill as hell.
I just chilling.
I mean, I'm a chill guy. You know what I'm saying? I'm a chill guy.
I'm all chill too, you know.
I'm a chill guy, man. I'm just like,
Ew.
mustard.
Somebody I knew for a second.
You know it.
You look like I'm not even gonna lie, you look like my uncle. He the same age as me, but you ain't, you know what I'm saying? I ain't talking about like old ass uncle. I'm talking about the uncle that's the same age.
I thought, nah, I was right. I ain't gonna say too much. Right.
Santa Claus walked into a room with a bunch of elves with a fucking chainsaw. Said, "Suck this or die." Everyone trying to start in line, trying to suck his dick, and this chopping heads off. Everyone trying to stress and trying to suck his dick. And bro, I'm telling you, when he called me about this shit, I was mind blown. Like, what the fuck, man? Understand? Like, the fucking Rudolph is dead. Gonna get fucked in the ass.
Think it ready to get some
Santa
yeah.
Claus fucks his own
Yo,
elf.
brother, what the bomb was, man? Y'all talk about, brother.
I thought this was super funny though, bro.
You see that fire? Lava. Lava. What country? What country do it say I'm from?
I am Kosovo.
What?
Kosovo.
That's not a country, nigga. What?
Gangsta Kosovo. Kosovo.
Bro, what the fuck is he
Yeah.
talking about?
Yo, we are from Kosovo, bro.
Kosovo.
Dumbass niggas, bro.
What are you talking about, man?
I got $10 million right now if you show your titties.
The fuck is you talking about? The fuck is you talking about?
Oh, I was talking about the person that was right there. I'm no there. There's somebody behind you.
Ma'am, what is you talking about?
It's somebody
What the hell?
behind you.
Huh?
It's literally somebody behind you in the screen.
Man, you tripping.
I'm not tripping. I'm so serious. Ain't there somebody behind him? Somebody peeping through your window. I swear, we can see it.
Man, there's somebody in your glasses, nigga.
Right. It's something behind you.
Bro, Halloween is over, nigga. Like, it's
No,
Christmas
I'm
season, bro.
no
Like,
Halloween. I'm so serious. The Grinch is behind you.
she thought she was funny, bro. Come on, bro.
See what? Let me tell you something funny here, buddy. That little ass chin here. You go like this. Them pointy ass ears. Don't you supposed to be at the North Pole with them elf ears? Supposed to be with Diddy.
Nah, see, if I was a different type of nigga, I would be arguing with the hoes. I'm not arguing with the hoes. The fuck I look like arguing with the hoes, bro? Like, that's lame as hell.
The braces though.
Type shit.
Yeah, I never needed any perfect teeth. I do. Bad.
But you vape, like, you lame as hell. You about to die next year, nigga. Like, the fuck?
You finna die next year? I'm finna fuck your mama next year.
Your background kind of scaring my sister.
Shit, we from the hood. Like, what you expect?
Quality, you know?
Niggas is from the hood. Niggas is from the hood. Niggas is from the hood. I don't know what you expect. Like, niggas is from the hood.
Where you from? Oh, you from New York? Everybody who's from New York be on this app. I swear, I've been talking to so much New York, bro.
Nigga, go to the fucking Wendy's, dope.
Y'all cool as
Word
fuck.
to bro. Word to bro.
So you stay in them like apartments?
It's New York. You don't get houses in New York. Like, what?
So New York always like straight up just apartments? What? I never knew that.
She never knew that.
And I would have like 1 or 2 houses. You gotta go.
You gotta be practically a fucking millionaire to afford a house, nigga.
Yeah.
Yo, let's get a bomb clout here, brother. Are we that, brother? Yo, the Baltimore youth, them, yo, the Baltimore Lions, them, all kind of zesty thing them on the fan, right?
You said the Baltimore Lions, man.
Yo, I want UK man this in a Baltimore. Man have the UK accent in a Baltimore. Like, what?
Yeah, no, man. That's so crazy, huh?
What? Yo, my brain is hurting. My brain is hurting. What the fuck? This nigga is.
I don't know why I say I'm in Baltimore. I'm really in the same country as you.
You're not in the same country. Yeah, just lying. Bro, you was in Baltimore, bro. Like, what is
Yeah,
you
bro.
talking
I'm in
about?
Baltimore, gang. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
Fake
I ain't gonna
UK
lie.
accent? Nah.
I do know how to do that little accent though. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, fake
I'd be like, yo,
accent
give
is
me the ball.
crazy.
What's your ball at, mate?
Nah, nigga got the fake UK accent. Nah, you actually got me though. I ain't gonna cap.
Word though. I'm saying that's how I know I'm valid. You know what I'm saying? I'm valid. You know what I'm saying? I'll go to UK right now. Put all the UK bad bitches. You be smoking that
Like,
shit though? Y'all be smoking in the UK? Huh?
shit in the hood.
In the hood? Oh, you don't live in the hood, gang?
I mean, yeah.
Nigga in the trenches right now, boy.
Yeah,
The fuck?
we're in the trenches, boy. Like that's just how it is. That's just how it
Oh,
is,
damn,
boy.
niggas be shooting. Niggas be shooting shit over there.
Mm. Like niggas don't really
Hmm?
got guns like that. Not like America.
Hey, bro, hear me out, bro. You gotta hear me out on this one, twin. Listen, bro. I was just talking to fine shit just now, bro. Like, like previously, right?
Right,
Bro, this so fine. Like, she right. Don't get me. She right.
right,
Light
right.
skin, fam. I'm about to get her number and all, fam. I'm talking about she, bro. Bro, a nigga just walked on the screen like, bro, I can merch this, bro. Slapped her in the face with a dick, fam. Shut the fuck up and eat. That shit corrupt me, fam.
Huh? What are you talking about, man?
Yeah, fam, scarred. This weird shit I go on this app. I'm literally talking to fine shit. She looks right, fam. Nigga hit her in the face, bro. Nigga hit her in the face with a dick, fam. Like, and
What's
told her
going
to
on?
get that shit on camera, bro. I didn't even know what to say. I had to skip, fam. I just didn't know what to say, bro. What would you do in that situation, bro?
Shit, that ain't none of my business.
And you thinking like, damn, you finna bliss my
Hey,
shit. She in your
that
city and
shit ain't
all,
got
bro.
nothing to do with me, nigga. Like,
She in my city. I'm thinking I'm finna pull up on her and now I ain't wanna do that.
pull
Shit,
up on
hell,
her.
I
She
didn't
in
get
your
the
city?
number. Yes. Yes.
Damn.
Eat her.
Hey, that wasn't the
I
one
don't know
for
about
you,
the
my
they
boy.
had to be trolling, bro. They had to be trolling, bro. They had to be
That
trolling,
shit was
fam.
most definitely a setup, nigga. Your ass almost got put on a t-shirt, nigga.
What do you mean? Oh, cause a nigga.
Nigga just asked what yeah. You were getting caught, buddy. You're getting put on a
Bro, the nigga
t-shirt.
just slapped her in the face with the dick, fam. Man, hold on, bro. Hold on, bro.
Hey,
What's up, bro?
nigga look like Michael Jackson.
You're the second person to say that. Thank you. Wow. What makes you say that?
I want to say the hair, but it's not the hair. It's the facial structure, like the facial
I
structure.
guess. Oh, thank you. Yeah, like this lunch lady said this to me. She was like, "Did someone ever tell you this? You look like Michael Jackson's son." And I'm like, "Thank you, I guess." I mean, I don't know, but yeah. So what you doing?
Shit, can you dance?
I cannot, bro. I got no moves, but like, I think I got something that can like give me moves. But it's probably look. I know maybe I
Is
shouldn't
that
start this
Campari?
early.
Yo, 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 turn that shit off, nigga. Yo, brother, turn off that, no, brother.
Why are you running? Bitch ass nigga.
Yo, little boy, turn off that.
Bitch
Yo,
ass
turn off
nigga.
that, you.
Bitch ass nigga.
Yo, take up your camera, brother. Take up your camera, brother. Look for me when I talk to you, you. Mustard. Yeah. I got one. Yes, nigga. I fucking got one, nigga. Let's go, nigga.
Sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I cope with drugs. Think I don't know when my time gonna come. I'm at the bottom, back where I begun.
Mustard.